What's up, y'all? Clean Cuts the One back with another video. Sitting in my house in Knoxville, Tennessee right now, about to board the airplane on the way to Las Vegas, Nevada for the Las Vegas Barber Expo hosted by Jay Majors. I'm really excited about that. Listen, this is what I've learned from these vlogs. A lot of times I'll get a lot of information, right, as I'm going, or I'll get a lot of video and I don't know what to include, and then the editing, and it's like I would make a 2-hour video. I want to tell you before I start what to take away from this video. You're going to see images of me at my booth. You're going to get to meet a couple of my barbers. You're going to meet Dustin and Gabe. They're going to be coming to me as soon as they get out of school, one at the end of October and one towards January. I've already got spots saved for them. You're going to get to meet Bianca. You're going to get to meet a lot of people who are in my local industry, a lot of my, close local barber community. You're going to meet them. You're going to see things that are going on. You're going to see the booth. You're going to hear announcements. You're going to see a lot of stuff. So I want to tell you, before you start seeing all this, what I want you to know is that everything that you're seeing me do, it's for you. It's available for you. There's nothing that I've done that you can't do. There's nothing that you can't go back in the videos and watch the process of how I got to this place. Now, I will tell you, this booth, I paid for it. Like, I didn't have a sponsor, nobody put in, nobody. This is an investment. But I'm not investing so I can get a booth so that way I can make money off beard oil and Believer Barber shirts. I'm investing in myself because I get to have this experience. I get to be a part of the industry that I love. So you guys check out this vlog and just keep in mind the things that it took to get to this place. Think about the process. Don't think about the end result. Don't think about the glorious clips that I'm going to put in here, because I'm going to pick some good videos to show you guys. But keep in mind, this is Tyler Trotter from Knoxville, Tennessee. Started 1 subscriber, no clippers, sold my Xbox to get a pair of clippers, and here we are now. It's a long way from where we started. But if you're in that place right now, you can find yourself doing something like this. Check it out.
There's always stress when it comes to shows, but you have to figure it out. That's the difference between a good trade show and a trade show where people just slap things together.
Whatever goes wrong, it's not the end of the world. Figure it out.
This is Army Live, the original. We're here in Las Vegas.
What's up, y'all? Clean Cuts the One, Tyler Trotter in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Las Vegas Expo Barber 2018.
We're about to go compete at the Las Vegas Barber Expo.
Bring home this year.
All right, we're live at McGee Tyson. Excited about being here. Don't have our food yet. Want to get some food, guys. I'm going to introduce you to, this is Zuri. She's the instructor and the owner of the Master Academy of Barbering in Knoxville. This is Dustin. Dustin, when you graduate, bro?
Late December, early January.
Follow him on Instagram at Blurry Barber. This is Bianca, fixing her hair before it comes. She's also the owner of Master Academy of Barbering. You're going to be meeting a lot more of her and coming on. This is my crew. This is the Knoxville crew. And this is Gabe. Gabe, when you graduate? November. November what?
28.
November 28th.
28. Yeah.
We'll see. Either way, he's coming into the shop when he gets done, and we're really excited about it. So, waiting on some food. The flight leaves in about an hour and a half, 2 hours.
But he said,
on our way. Look, in 10 years, when everything's all said and done, don't say I didn't pay my dues. Shout out to my man Joe. You can't see him because I'm in the thing. Maybe you can't see him, but this is me, bro. He gave me a ride, and I'm grateful to be able to get to where I'm going. Hey, Jerry. Nice to see you. But I'm just saying, guys, don't say in 10 years I didn't pay my dues. Right here paying dues right now. Who is that? Wait a minute. What?
The Barber Teasy.
You already know. My man. What you doing, Teasy?
You know, I'm working.
What you got going on, brother?
Editing a vlog I've been trying to put out for a week. I'm trying to troubleshoot some stuff.
Oh, you got a little YouTube thing going on?
Oh, yeah, youtube.com/the Barber Teasy.
Hey. Hey. Just touched down. This is the room. This ain't my room. This is what my room looks like. I'm staying with Dre. All right, Saturday morning, get in the booth. I'm going to meet up with Jay. Be shadowing Jay all day today, seeing what it looks like to put on an expo like this. Trying to soak up all the knowledge I can get. He told me to meet him at 11 o'clock. It's like 10:30. So I gotta get the booth and get down there. Cause on time is late. 15 minutes early is on time. Just got in a little bit. Everything's not quite set up. It's the day before. Just pulled up. Jay just came on. Yeah, Rob the original, dropping gum. But it's cool because he's Rob the original. He can drop gum, right?
Yeah.
And Vinny, right?
Yes, sir.
This is crazy. So this is why you should come to these things and probably set up. You can get in a little bit early.
_ Job Fernandez. Follow the kid.
Man, Saturday was crazy. Been shadowing Jay all day. It's been a good experience. I've definitely learned a lot about what goes into an expo. I had to watch and observe and learn and, you know, definitely learned a lot. It was a good experience. And, you know, he said you should shadow me this weekend. And a lot of what shadowing looks like is observing. Like, it's just what it says. You're a shadow. A lot of times it means, like, you need to do what somebody says. Like, it'll start to feel like a do-boy. You know what I mean? You start to feel like you're just being worked. But you're not being worked. It's a privilege. Like, it's an honor. I wouldn't have been able to meet some of the people that I meet. And I got to meet them, you know, privately. It was pretty cool. It wasn't just like on the show floor with everything turned on. You know, you need to start with service. That's where leadership comes in, is with service. So I really felt like, you know, a servant today, but it's good, man. You know, Jesus was a servant. So it really is a privilege to serve, not only just in the industry, but people around you, your communities. You know, that's part of what being a barber is. And I'm laying on the bed because, man, I really am tired. It's been work. But I'm going to take a shower, and I'm going to go out, and I'm going to have dinner with my friends. I've been away. I've been missing my people. I ain't got to hang out with nobody. I'm missing everybody. But it'll all pay off. It's all worth it. In a couple years, I'll be able to relax a little bit more. So, but for now, we're in here, Las Vegas Expo 2019. Wow, 2018. I'm thinking about this.
It's not 19 yet. It's 18. Man. Hey, so we live in the future.
I'm ahead of.
We're looking forward.
Right.
We're here. We're here.
Hold up. 2019.
That's what he's talking about.
2019. It's on my brain. We think ahead. Futuristic mindset. I'm saying you got to get to these shows, y'all. You got to get out here. You got to learn, get educated, meet people. That's what you got to do. If you're not doing it, I don't know why you're not here. Look, everybody else is here. Literally everybody is here. Why aren't you here? Why aren't you here? Why aren't you here? There's shows everywhere. Even if you can't get to the Las Vegas Barber Expo. Look, this is crazy. So they just opened the doors. Get me in my little suit. Already made my first sale. They ain't even got everybody in the door yet. They ain't even in the door yet. What's up, man?
What's up,
You
brother?
good? Come here, man. Let me talk to you. What's your name, bro?
My name is Marcos.
What's your Instagram?
So Blessed Barber.
Look, man, this is somebody that I met, was it Instagram?
Yeah, well, we met through Facebook. And then
Facebook, right? And so we talk, and then you have these conversations, like, as you grow. But if you really value the relationships, like in your chair, then you learn to value the relationships, like, in the industry. So dude walks up to me, and we already know each other. Like, there's no introduction period. You know what I mean? It's beautiful. How do you think people get to know people?
up. Turn my mic up. Tony. Hey, turn my mic up. Turn my mic up. Turn it up, turn it up. Turn it up, turn it up. All right, all right, all right.
I mean, I see all the cool crispy fades on Instagram. I see them pouring out of barbershops. I see amazing design work. But you know where I don't see that shit? Anywhere else. I don't see it in fashion. I don't see it in films or young Hollywood. I don't see it any of the places that most people look for inspiration for their style. Like, our clients are not looking at barber sites to figure out how they want to look. We are. We're like the world's greatest, we're like the world's biggest circle jerk right now. The barber industry on Instagram.
So still here at the LV Barber Expo. I want to thank everybody that continues to come by the booth, continues to say positive things, words of affirmation, say that they've been following the channel for a really long time, and says that they've graduated, maybe they were students when they first started, or when I first started, now they've come through, and now they're licensed professionals. I just want to say thank you to guys, man. This expo is amazing. It's full. There's talent everywhere, all over the place, and it could be overwhelming. I'm grateful to have my team here. I'm grateful for everybody that supported me, everybody that just came by to say what's up, and I just want to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you, Jay Majors. Thank you, Jay Star. Thank you, Las Vegas Barber Expo, for everything that you've done, for all the opportunities you've given me in this trip. I learned so much. Now, remember, Tennessee Barber Expo 2019, hosted by Jay Majors. I'm getting trained by the best. Can't wait to see y'all there. Two o'clock in the morning, Las Vegas Barber Expo, it's a wrap. Plane takes off at 7 a.m. Las Vegas time. Land at home tomorrow at about 2. Man, it's been fun. Hope you got enough visuals. Hope you could see the energy. Hope you could feel the love. Hope you believe that everything that happens for me can happen for you too. I'm tired, man. Time for me to get some rest. Until next time.